just to sit at last day. Where is your bag, ma? Sir, where is your bag, sir? Book andro unda. Manchidi. Let's start. Now I will open the sites. If anyone did any site, please let me know. File, open folder, HTML, CSS4. Yesterday we tried this. This is what we tried, ma, yesterday. Now, this is what the site we tried yesterday. Now you can able to make it more better, and I'm gonna put it here. The JS will be started in just 2 days. Okay. Now you can put about page separately, services page separately, contact page separately, which I'm gonna create it now quickly. Earlier website, what I did, I put about section separately, contact section separately, services section separately, so that one section, if you click on it, it will go to that particular section. But now we know what I will create. I will create different pages. That will make it more sense. Now I will put about.html, services.html, contact.html, and I will go to this index.html. I will copy this and I will paste it in all. Except this banner one. Here also, this footer also has to be, this page belongs to XYZ, and copy colon 2024 and Control A, Control C, Control V, Control V, index.html. Now if someone click on this, imagine I go to the header and I click on it here, about. It will go to about page. If I go to click on contacts, it will stay in the same place. Home, services, services page. If I click on contacts, contact page. Let's go to the contacts. Same logic everywhere. Go here. If I click on contacts, it's empty one. If I click on services, it will go to services. If I click on about, it will go to about. If I click on home, it will go to index.html. Now, same thing about. This one is empty. Services, contacts, home. Now, services. If anyone click on the contacts, let's go to contacts. If anyone click on about, let's go to about. If anyone click on home, let's go to home. Any doubts, sir? Go here, services, click on go live. Now, if you click on about, if I click on about, can you see this? Services, services.html, contact.html. Any doubts, ma? No. Let's go here. Let's go to contact page. I'm gonna create it a simple contact page. Inside the contact page, what will be there? Form will be there. Inside the form, what will be there? Input, placeholder, enter the name, PR, input, placeholder, enter the email, PR, inputs, text, placeholder, enter the, no, instead of input, I will say something called text area, and uh, what more you can put it? One button. Let's put a button, sir. Button, send, get in touch. Everything is inside one form, sir. Everything is inside one form. Now let's create it here, some kind of form class name. Class contact form. You go to CSS. In the CSS, you can mention it details for contact form also. I am writing one CSS for all, sir. Sir, why don't you increase? Why don't you put it like one CSS for contact, one CSS for about? You can do that also. If you do that, it will be more good actually. Why? Because in something is wrong in contact, only for contact one you can check it. But I am doing it everything in one place. So I will put one comments, contact page. Now here I will say contact form dot contact form dot contact form. Now this contact form, whatever you wanted, you can put it, sir. Display flux, flux direction colon, gap, 20 pixel. Can you see this? Now, what I can do, with 30 percentage. I want it to be center. So go to the contacts, write it here, class, contact main. Go here, write it here, dot contact main, display flux, justify content center. Automatically it will be center of the page. But they are also not looking good, right or not? So in the contact form, whatever the inputs are there, in the contact form, whatever the inputs are there, both the inputs, I will say only border bottom 2 pixel solid black. Remaining all will disappear. Border top 0 0 pixel. See, there is no top. I can give it in border top 0, top right bottom left, right? Top 0, bottom 0, right 0, bottom 20, oh sorry, bottom 2, left 0. So why it is not working? It's not working then. For padding, it's working. 0 pixel. Only border bottom. Important. So there is no choice. Border top, 0. Border bottom, border left, 0. Border right, 0. And height, some kind of 40 pixel. For someone is asking in online what is input. Input is a tag, sir. Using input tag only we defined these things now. Now see, now if I click on it, 2 pixel solid black. Now if you see, this is how I wanted. That's why I did like that. Okay. Any doubts, sir? Any doubts, ma? Now, now go here for text area, contact form, text area. First thing you need to do is resize none ray. What does it mean by resize is if you don't put that resize none, actually you can able to drag this. If you put resize none, you can't do dragging. You can able to mention height and width. Height, some 50 pixel. Go to here, contact form. Enter the message. Any doubts, sir? No. If someone hovers on it, automatically it will come like this. Very simple, sir. Okay, this one is how much simple it is. Like you should think about it like how you want your site. Someone is asking it like, can we add tooltip in HTML? Yes, you can add tooltip in HTML using title. What you can add it using? Title, tooltip. What does it mean by tooltip? Means if you go to that particular one, you can able to see the information. For example, I will write it here only. Something. Title. Enter your name. If I go here, can you see something? It's coming. Enter your name. Are you getting my point, ma? That property, if you wanted, you can have it, do that, sir. Now, always footer will be, sir. Can I do it any responsiveness? Basically, it's responsive because it's in middle only now. So it will come in every device. Okay, it will work. So you don't need to do any responsive for this. Footer, CSS. For footer, it's very simple. Font size 24 pixel. Color, no. Text align, center. Border, top, 2 pixel, solid, black. Margin, top, 100 pixel. You should make your website as smooth as possible, sir. Okay. Never make it too complex. It should be professional if it is smooth. Simple. Now, after this, I'm going into services page. Anything is there, sir, in services page? Let's add it quickly. Sir, I hope all are getting it, like how to do HTML, CSS1, which are very easy. Today we'll see the libraries, and also I will show you some kind of libraries which will make your work more easy. Okay. Now let's go here. Let's go to services page. I'm gonna display all the services which I will provide through grid. Okay. So I will provide it through a grid, sir. Let me provide it here. A div asterisk service. Div dot service asterisk 8. Okay. And here class services main. And here inside each div, I'm gonna put one img. Inside the img, I'm gonna put one logo. Go here, repairs. No, it is a tour guru, na. So hotel booking images. Open the image in a new tab. Go here, Control C, Control V, booking title H2, hotel booking. Now, next one, IMG, train tickets. So, train tickets. Now, Control C, go here, tickets, H2, train tickets, booking. Go down. Next one, IMG. Inside this, let's put some kind of buses, sir. Right click, Control C. No, the image is not looking good. Control C, buses, H3, H2. Now replace these three things again and again. Now, total here 8 systems are there. Like I just repeated the same things. You can change it however you wanted, sir. Go to CSS part. Let's edit up the services section. Services page. Now, all services, if you see total how many services are there? 8. All the services, if you see clearly, all the services are inside services main. Inside what they are in? Services main. So the services main should be grid, sir. Services main, which is like display grid. Services main is a display grid. Now I will make it like grid template columns repeat 3 comma 1 FR. So each one will be 3 comma 1 FR. So each one will be 3 fractions, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 fractions it will take it. If I go, this is how they are looking it now. See, some images are bigger, some images are smaller. That is the problem. How do you solve it, sir? Very simple. Let's go here. Dot service. Dot service. Inside the service, whatever the image is there, all images should have height 200 pixel, width 300 pixel. Any doubt, sir? Any doubt, sir? Now let's go here. Let's also place these things. Place item center so that they will come in center. Or you can use justify content also so that it will move to center. Now they are center of the screen. Now let's have some kind of box. Okay. And some kind of padding between the elements. Each service will have some kind of box shadow. 2 pixel. No. Yeah. 2 pixel, 3 pixel, black. That means x-axis 2 pixel, y-axis 3 pixel, black color. But problem is that they are mixing with other things. Let me have some kind of padding. 20 pixel. Go here. Okay. Now they are mixing with all the things so that I will go here. I will say gap. Gap between the items should be 20 pixel. Now they are separate. Border radius 2 pixel. No, border radius will be 30 pixel. If someone hovers on the service, imagine someone hovers on the service, someone hovers, automatically box shadow will become, the shadow will become 2 pixel, 3 pixel, primary color. Why it is not changing hovering? Double colon. Now also it's not working, Ray. Service, hover. Okay, double where? Where came double? Any doubts, ma? Any doubts, sir? No. Now inside the service, the items will be display flux direction colon, flux direction colon, and justify content center. Why they are not coming in center, sir? Inside the service, Oh, column will have it like in center only. Align item center. Then they will come center. Perfect. And inside the service, whatever the H2 is there, inside the service, whatever the H2 is there, that H2 will have font size 24 pixel and gap between the elements some 20 pixel. Any doubts, ma? See how much quick those things will complete. Now, but sir, the problem is if I see the same thing in Chota device, will it come good, sir? Why? Because three things are there. Let's go here, right click, inspect. Now, if you see here, one is coming, but here three are there. I have to go out. Is it good, sir? Is it good, ma? No. So now I will be like, when I go for smaller screens, why they are coming three, sir? Because you said it here, service main is grid template columns. Service main is grid template columns of 3. So now I will go here. I will say maximum width 796 pixel. I will say service main grid template columns 1 comma 1 FR. 1 comma 1 FR. If someone said it until media devices, until the media maximum width, max width 996 pixel. I will say service main 2 comma 1 FR. Now if I go here, when I go for until 996, see, now if I go here, why it is coming it like this? Less than, okay. Always remember, ma, always you should give bigger one first and then smaller one. Media queries, always you should give bigger one first and then smaller one. See, less than 796, you are getting only one, right or not? But if I go more than that, if I go it like more than 796, imagine I use more than 796, I will get 2. When I go for big device, I will get 3 automatically. That is responsive only now. Is it clear, ma? Are you all getting, sir? Good. Now, sir, use transform scale when hovering on the image. You can try that whenever I hover on it. Where is this service? Over transform scale 1.05. See? Any doubt, sir? Any doubt, sir? No. Last but not least, we'll do about section. Actually, I didn't do the login one. We'll do about section and then we'll discuss the library, sir. Okay? Now, someone is like, how to make only image move in the divisor? I didn't understand. On hover time, only image will move. You can give it for only image. Whenever something hover happens, give it like only for that image. You can make it. Then it will work. Okay? Now, so the difference between transform and transition. Transition means going from one phase to another phase. Like for example, when I hover on it, I'm getting it to something bigger. That means how that bigger is happening, it's happening quickly. When I hover on it, I'm getting it to something smaller. That means how that bigger is happening, it's happening quickly. When I hover on it, I'm getting it to something bigger. That means how that bigger is happening, it's happening quickly. What if I want that bigger to happen slowly? Then you will use transition. Okay. That kind of effects which are like bigger or smaller effects are called transform. Now, next one, about section. I will give some kind of basic about section, sir. Okay. Which is like some kind of div here. Two divs I will put. First paragraph, RM 200. Right side, I will put one IMG. Travel. Sir, class over image your code to Sheikh Shahrukh. I didn't get it on it. Why this one came, Ray? Travel. Go here, open. I will just put this so that it will look some kind of authentic. Travel. Now, both are inside something called main, which is like class about main. If I go to services, sir, basically, if I go to CSS, about page, now here, dot about main, display flux, justify content, uh, center, gap, 30 pixel, image. Sir, you can put video in the background. Basically, you have to put video only. Using video tag, you will put it the whole video. Directly, there is no choice like you will put background video. Okay. Now, same thing. Next, this one, you are getting it display flux. Control C. Go down. Sir, float is not working there. I got it. I don't know why, but actually float should work. It's not working there. Now, this is the about main here. I will say flux direction is colon reverse. If I go Chota devices, it will show. See here, float is working. Can we change height and width of videos? Yes, you can change it. Now let's go here. Now align item center. Perfect. Which will show you on the screen. Any doubts, ma? Now the whole site is done except the login screen dash.
This meeting is being recorded.
Red. Why? Background color blue. Now people, especially the people who are sleepy, wake up. This is the most important thing. Now see, I write it here red X background color red. Y background color blue. Any doubts in the code, sir? Any doubts in the code, ma? No. Now, now, imagine I gave my CSS file to you. This CSS file, which is having X and Y. You attach my CSS file into your code. You already attached my CSS file into your code. Now, what if you want to have a background color red? What you will do, sir? If you want to give one element background color red, what you will do? Are you getting my points? Are you all understanding my point? No. Listen to the point clearly. You already take my code. This code, this code is you take it and you just paste it into your CSS, or maybe you created another CSS. Okay, others dot CSS, and you connected your CSS also into this particular code. Oh, sorry, top only. Link CSS slash others dot CSS. Now you others dot CSS is also working for you now, right? Now this logo is there, na? I want logo ka background color red. How to do that? You already have this CSS, and what you can do to make that particular div background color red? Eh? What happened? Are you all listening, ma? Online, someone answered it. That's nice. Thank you. Sir, you will change a class name, Ray. I don't know whether people are dumb or people are silent. Are everyone getting my point? इधर already class name X का background color red है. If I go to my HTML and if I say this particular logo is class name X. If I say class name X, automatically I will get it red color na for this. Did I write it background color red? Someone wrote it. I know which class name they used. I gave that class name. Automatically I get it. Is it clear? Are everyone clear with this? What if I want background color blue? Why? Because someone already. Are you writing the background color blue? No. Is it clear? Now, this is what libraries do. What the libraries do means someone else will write all the code. They will give one whole code. In that code, what class name they used for that code, you will understand, and that same class name you will use it automatically. You will get the same effect. Okay. Now, let me give you one example here. In the same way, how I get it here, if I go to, you can see it here, index.html, click on it. It's coming red color because I set it in others.css background color red. Now, same way, there are so many libraries. There are so many libraries. Others.css. Where is this? If others.css is not there, Lex is not having meaning. Let's go here. Libraries. Library is a predefined code, pre-written code, if I have to say. Pre-written code which can be attached to your code by CDN links, and use it. Famous CSS libraries are
This meeting is being
will
recorded.
have a purpose. They can't write it code for everything. For example, animate CSS will do only animations. Bootstrap will do layout. Okay, every library will have some kind of purpose. Now, focus here. Huh? Tailwind it is. Typer. Now, step by step, listen, ma. Step by step. First, I am going. animation one. First one, bouncing. See, I like this effect. I want this bouncing animation. How to do that, sir? First, type it on internet, CDN, animate, CSS, automatically CDN. What is CDN will come? CDN बोले तो content delivery network. Content delivery. See, just now I shared my file. One file I shared others.css. Did you remember? Imagine someone write it one code, right? How they will share it to you? How they will share your someone's code? If you want to share your code to someone, how you will share, sir? You will put it a GitHub, or you will put it WhatsApp, or you will put it something Snap or Insta, something. Na? If you want it to access to everyone, you will upload somewhere. You will create a link and you will send that link, like how you send Google Drive link. Similarly, people will upload libraries into CDN. CDN is content delivery network. It will contain all the libraries, and each library it will create one link. Now I will go here, I will go here, and I will go here. Always select second one. Always click on second one. Now click here, copy. Click here, copy. Go here, paste it, paste it. Copy and you will see, sir, in HREF it is having a link. Can you see that HREF link? HTTP CDN, something attacks libraries, animate CSS, something min.css. Sir, what if I go to this link, sir? Can I able to see anything? Yes. If you go to this link, actually, you can able to see so much code. Can you see how much code it is? Did I write this all? Someone wrote it. And I attached that code now to my website. Now my website is having this code, sir. Ho gaya. Now what is the next target? I should know what class name they used. If I know what class name they used, I will put my things also same class name. Automatically I will get CSS. That is our target. Now, always in websites, in documentation, they will tell you. If you come and read in documentation, they will tell you. They are telling it. You can install through NPM. Actually, in bigger projects, will install. Everything I will repeat it one more time. Everything, please listen to me. I'm removing it. I like to include in my website one library named animate.css. I want to have a link of the animate CSS. When I go to CDN, CDN gave me one link, which is CDN animate CSS. They gave me one link. I copied the second link and I go here and I just pasted it here in the CSS. That means someone CSS I am attaching into my website. It or not? Now, In the CSS, they wrote so much code, ma. I don't know what the code they wrote. If you want to see, you can see that also. See, they wrote so much code. Okay. Now in this only they put bounds and all. What if I want to bounce? If I search for it, see, they wrote it. Bounce also they wrote it here. Something to function they wrote it. From function they wrote it. They wrote it so 40% what to do, 43% what to do. Everything they wrote it. I'm not doing anything. I just use that. Any doubts, sir? No. Okay. Now let me go here. After adding CDN link, go to official documentation. Read it. Every official documentation will say differently. It's not same. If you know basic English, you can read it. I will tell it for you. See, after installing Animate CSS, yes, I installed it already. Add the class animate underscore animated to an element. I add it. Go here. I want it for this particular image. It is very important skill to read the documentation. If you have a skill of reading the documentation, you will be great developer. Don't believe it in everything in your hand. No, you have to read the documentation. Now, second one, along with any of animation names, don't forget to add animate underscore prefix. See, if you want bounce, you should add animate underscore bounce. What if? Is there any other way, sir? Go down. See, there are so many effects, sir. Bounce bole to bounce, flash, pulse, rubber band. I love rubber band. Go here, take copy, go here. Now I will animate underscore and rubber band. They said it along with. So then let's see whether it is working or not. Did you see that, sir? What if I want multiple times? Okay, let's read the documentation. Go here. They said it, you can control it. That's nice. Okay. If you want it delay, if you put animate underscore delay 2 seconds, it will give 2 seconds delay. Nice. What if I wanted animate faster? It will come faster. If you put slower, animate underscore slower, it will be slower. Repeating. If you write it animate underscore repeat 2 times it will come animation. Now it is coming 1 time only. But what if I want it infinite times? Notice that animate underscore infinite doesn't use any custom property and changes to animate repeat will have no effect. Oh, that means you can use animate infinite. Go here, go here, go here. They are saying it like if you use animate infinite, repeat will not work. No need. Is it working? Are you getting my point, ma? Any doubt, sir? Any doubt, sir? Now I will make my website more. Now go here. Now I did not downloaded. I did not downloaded anything. I just added the link. Now let's go to this. This bar is there, na? Let's put more effects. Go here. Go to the top. Something entrances. I want some kind of nice entrance. Um, back and down. Copy. So go down. Go down. Where is this in middle bar? New class, class. And you should put animate underscore animated also for everything. That's what their documentation says. Is it a rule, sir, for everything? No. But this animate guy saying it that. So let me go here. Let's just see. Any doubt, sir? कोई doubt है माँ? No. Now this is home. Let's go to my about. Now let's make the about section. Our about section is shorter one only. You can make it more interesting if you wanted some kind of animation. Back right. Now bounce it down. Bouncing left. I will give the text. Bounce left. So left side text will come, right side image will come. Are you getting my point, sir? Everything online? Can you able to understand my any doubts online? Now go here. Go here. Go to the about page. Inside the about page, for the first thing, I will give here class name. Sir, we don't have to change the class name. That is what I changed na. In CSS, you will not change na. Where do you put class name? In HTML. Okay, and if you want any properties only, you will write it in CSS. But I don't need to write. Already those people wrote it everything. If you want to edit it, you can write it, sir. For example, those people already wrote this animation will be 1 second. If you go to your own and if you say it like animation has to be 5 seconds, your wish, it will work. Okay, you can change that also. Now I will say in about page, animation left, and also index.html animate underscore animated. Now go here, Control C, go down for the next one, class. And what about right class name? Go here. If I want right, copy. I'll say animate right. Let's go to the website. Sir, is it coming any entrance, sir? Is it coming any animation, sir? Why? Because in this page I did not put any CDN link. How it will come, Ray, if there is no CDN link of animation? So in the index.html already I have a CDN link. I will copy that CDN link, guy. I will paste it here. Now you go. Home. About. Any doubt, sir? What about services? We'll finish it up everything and then we'll upload it. Okay, ma? Now services को effect क्या चाहिए? Sir, online someone is asking, sir, should we give any link in the header section for using G animate CSS? We should give link in the header. In the head, that is CDN link. Just now I did na. Are everyone clear, sir? Now, now I will go with the flip. flip Y. So go here. I will go to about services. Now here, shit. Go here. Go down. Go to index.html. Animate. Now let's copy this. Let's paste it for all services. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So go here, index.html, go to services. Any doubts, sir? Any doubts, ma? Are everyone clear? Same thing in contact. I did not put any animation, but you know how to put it the animations basically. Just put some animation. Does anyone have any doubts in today's one? Sir, please repeat process, or do we have to copy the same paste link again? Again, I'm telling it, you have to paste the same link. Anyway, I did it. I went to CDN and I copied the link. Na? For you, you don't need to go to CDN. Anyway, my link will be available inside the GitHub. You will take it and you just copy paste it. Na? Is it clear, sir? Yeah. Only the thing is, you should go to Animate CSS website and check it, whatever the animations you like it, and you just use it. Okay. How to get it the CDN link? Someone is having a doubt, and I will show it one more time. CDN library name. What is the library name? Animate CSS. Simple. Then you will get the link. Always take min.css. What is the name? Min.css. Minified CSS. Min.css. Always take min.css only. Copy this link and paste it wherever you wanted. Let me show you so many libraries, sir. Sir, Bootstrap, na? That is also same only. Like for example, Bootstrap. Bootstrap also CDN only, na? So CDN, Bootstrap. CDN, Bootstrap. Now I will get some CDN links. Go here. Can you see the min.js is also there? I don't want it. I want only CSS. See bootstrap.min.css. Can you see that, sir? Copy it. Copy it. Go here. Paste it. Paste it. Paste it. Any doubts, sir? Any doubts, ma? Now you just copy and paste it bootstrap, na? Now let me tell you bootstrap. I will give you a nice thing here. I will create one button here. Click me. And I will go here. See one button created. Oh, by default, I gave some kind of things now. Automatically, when you give Bootstrap, can you see everything became kind of changed? Because Bootstrap will change the layouts automatically. If I created a button, if I say class PTN primary, I will tell you what are the class names in Bootstrap and all I will tell you. But if I do this, can you see it became blue color? Did I said blue color anywhere? Because in Bootstrap CSS, they wrote it BTN primary बोले तो blue color. All you have to remember is class name. Primary बोले तो blue color. ऐसा remember हो जाता वो Bootstrap हो जाता. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we'll build one website using Bootstrap. Okay, Bootstrap learning means you are not doing anything. Already Bootstrap someone wrote it. You will just understand the class names. What class names are there? If you know that and remember that, it is easy. Any doubts, ma? No. There is multiple link. How do we know which should to use? Again, I'm telling it. Always select something called min.css. What is that? Min.css. Don't go with multiple things. Like for example, animate website है तो animate.min.css. Bootstrap है तो bootstrap.min.css. Only that particular one. Go here. Any more doubts? Sir, how many libraries we can use? There are so many CSS libraries. Like I will show you some nice ones. Magic CSS. Magic CSS also will give you animations. Some kind of magic animations it will give. This kind of animations it will give. Same thing. How to use it? CDN link. CDN Magic CSS. It will give CDN link and then class names. Come to this. Copy the class name and then paste it. हो गया. देखो. और can you see this? Open book effect. You can even do this kind of crazy things just by clicking on it, just by using the libraries. There are so many libraries like this. Like let me bring it up. CSS libraries. Bootstrap is famous one. Foundation, Bootstrap, Bumla. These are our bigger ones. These all are bigger ones. I never used milligram. I don't know what is it used for. Uh, milligram is a lightweight something project. Okay, I don't know. Water CSS. Okay, let me try it, Ray. Even I never tried it. Water CSS. What it will give? Will it give water? See, this is the CDN link. Okay, copy. Let me try it. Copy. Go here. Copy this. I don't want Bootstrap now. I just copied the water CSS. I don't know what it will do also actually. Mm, where is this Ray? Where is that CSS Ray here? Or is a drop-in collection of CSS to make simple websites? Okay. I'm not even understanding it. Where is a class name? Who wrote this page, Ray? Get it ready. No. GitHub, go to GitHub. Maybe in GitHub they wrote it. Some people will explain in GitHub. Okay. Okay. See, they wrote it something. They said it like, do you want to make some adjustment, build your own theme completely different from official dark or light themes? Okay, background, body. You can use this kind of things, I think. Waste. It's not something funny. I felt it. It's funny. No, waste of time. Animate CSS we use. That's funny actually. Top CSS libraries for creative developers. Go down, go down, go down. Animate CSS that we know already. We have seen. Pure CSS or CSS in JS using emotion JS. That is different case. When we go to JS1, we will use this magic CSS. We know that. Water CSS. I don't know how it works. Picnic CSS. Wow. See, crazy, crazy things will be there. Picniccss.com. Someone wrote it a code, default theme. What will be done? Normal, success, warning, documentation. Okay, if you want it label or checkbox, if you just give class checkable, automatically it will become checkable. Okay, those kind of chota things here are there. Here images are there. You can use card. Same like Bootstrap, this all are. Radio button, tabs, tool tips, drop image. Oh, that's a nice one. Any other doubts, ma? Does anyone have any questions regarding the libraries which we discussed today? Just a minute. Does anyone have any questions, ma? No? That's good. Okay. So we'll meet tomorrow to discuss more. Okay. And before tomorrow, try to create one nice site into the, using this kind of effects, sir. Using this kind of things. And tomorrow we'll do one bootstrap one. I will put this whole website into Netlify and we'll leave, sir. Go to Netlify, go to add new sites, deploy manually, browse upload, desktop, Naresh IT, HTML, CSS, JS4, second website, upload. It's uploading, sir. Open the website. Now go here, site configuration, change the site name, tourguru.netlify.app. Oh, already it's there. tourguru2.netlify.app. Seriously. tourguru3.netlify.app, sir. Everyone. If you type it, you will get, hey, seriously? What happened, Ray? Maybe this water CSS changed mine. No, it's correct only. Somewhere it's mistake, sir. Now it's coming correctly. If see, only home page is not coming correctly because in the home page that water CSS changed it. Contact page. Any doubts, ma? Please create a nice website which looks nice. Okay. By tomorrow. That's it for today. Thank you all. You can leave. And I will upload the whole code into GitHub. You can check it in my GitHub.